Local Citation Management Step-by-Step Guide. Local Citation Management, a step-by-step guide in today's highly competitive digital landscape. Local businesses need to implement effective strategies to enhance their online visibility and attract potential customers. One such strategy is local citation management, which plays a crucial role in improving local search engine rankings and driving targeted traffic to your website. In this comprehensive guide, we will walk you through the process of local citation management and provide valuable insights to help you outrank your competitors. Get a 14-day FREE for 300 local citations you can edit on one simple dashboard. What are local citations? Before diving into the intricacies of local citation management, let's clarify what local citations actually are. A local citation refers to any online mention of your business's name, address, phone number, and other pertinent information, collectively known as IP data. These mentions can appear on various platforms, including local business directories, websites, apps, and social media platforms. Local citations serve two essential purposes. Firstly, they help potential customers discover and connect with local businesses. Secondly, they significantly impact local search engine rankings. Having accurate and high-quality citations is crucial for ranking well on Google's local search interfaces, ensuring your business is visible to users who are actively searching for products or services in your area. Types of local citation management. When it comes to local citation management, you have several options to choose from based on your specific needs and resources. Let's explore the different approaches and their pros and cons. Manual citation management. This approach involves manually building, editing, and managing all your citations. It requires creating a database to track existing citations, their accuracy, and status. Regular audits are necessary to identify and correct inaccuracies, duplicates, and new citations. Manual management is suitable for bootstrap startups with limited resources or companies that want to supplement automated services with additional citations on specific platforms. Pros of manual citation management include direct control over your citations, the ability to choose any platform for citation building, and no dependency on third-party services. However, it requires a substantial investment of time and effort, especially for businesses with multiple locations. Lack of experience or organization can lead to costly mistakes and the proliferation of inaccurate or duplicate listings. Semi-automated citation management. In this approach, you can leverage services that automate the distribution of your local business data to selected platforms. Most Local's check listing tool, for example, allows you to check your local business listings for accuracy across various directories and data aggregators. Semi-automated citation management streamlines the process, saving you time and effort while ensuring data consistency. Although semi-automated management reduces manual work, it may not cover all platforms and may require integration with additional tools or services for comprehensive coverage. It's crucial to evaluate the capabilities and compatibility of the chosen service to meet your specific citation management goals. Learn more, https://localcitations.co.